Good morning. We're here in Oklahoma City inflating a new monolithic dome house. This dome is a 40-foot diameter house with a 21-foot diameter garage dome that's attached to it through a tunnel. The fans turned on about 5 minutes ago, and we're going to sit here and take a tour. So let's go inside. We'll go through the first door, close it, second door. Now we come inside. Yep. So now that the dome's inflated, you can kind of get a look of what's inside. Inside here on the floor, you can see the scaffolding that we bring in. The scaffolding is part of the Paxis polar scaffold that Monolithic has designed. It's a system in which there's a center pivot axle and the scaffold turns on that pivot axle, allowing the dome builders to access any part of the dome they want. And it is super safe and it moves nice and slow, so that when you're tying steel and spraying material, it works extremely well. So on this project, I'm standing in the garage. You can see here, there's a gap in the uprights here. That's where the garage door will be. There's a step in the floor, so you can tell there's an elevation difference there, so that flooding or any other, or even toxic gas can't go into the main home. You can see some plumbing penetrations here. A back door to the garage. And a nice looking transition saddle. From a dome building perspective, these are always the most fun kind of elements to spray in with shotcrete, because they just make such beautiful curved pieces. It's really fun to spray those. This dome is just inflated. This one's pretty tall. They're actually going to have a second floor in the main part of the home. You can see right in front of us are two augments. We call these standard augments. So they're just there to support a vertical frame in the exterior of the dome. And then just to the right, we've got an extended augment, which is going to house the front door and create a little bit of an eave there, so when you walk into your front door, you're underneath the dome shell. Right in front of us, we've got the inflator fan and the airlock. So this connection in the Airform has no radius that was planned into it. Obviously there's a little bit of a radius there because of the way that the Airform shape inflates. But these are jointly connected. Here in the back of the skin, we've got a couple more of these standard augments. You can see on the inside some of the marks from our plotting machine. It plots the numbers on of the panels and the marks where they go. Here inflated, it's pretty obvious that it looks good, but when these pieces are all spread out on the floor, sometimes they can get a little mixed up. So having them numbered and cut out to very specific locations works really well. I'm back here at the office, and we had a great day yesterday going out there to inflate this dome home in Oklahoma. It was very windy, very cold. We were too close to the Air Force base to use our drone, and so hence my walk around video here. But I just wanted to mention a few things before we wrap this video up. One is that we've been trying to do a better job of explaining how domes are built. The inflation is a very popular thing to see, but when we're all done with the dome, it's a concrete dome on the inside. We're going to follow up with some more videos on that process. But it's a tornado-safe home when we're all done, and that's the reason that she's building this home. The wrinkles that you're seeing on the Airform are temporary. Once the frames are installed and the air pressure is kicked up, those wrinkles will go away. Thanks to everybody and their positive comments on our videos here, and we're gonna keep making them. So we'll thank you for watching, and we'll have another one here probably next week when this one's about halfway done.